Hello everyone, I'm today create for digital marketing design for Fiverr. This one for Fiverr URL, say this URL for digital marketing. First one for page title, and second one for carousel, and third one for all section, and fourth one for banner. So I'm go to Laravel. This is my demo. Click for digital marketing. This one for title, this one for subtitle, and for banner sorry button similar this one, but I'm hover effect not yet. Okay, this one for most popular digital marketing. See this one most popular, but this one carousel is not working, so I'm implement for carousel. You can just okay for digital marketing, this one for every page. Say this one, and this one for also similar. Okay, also this one for banner, 3 banner section. This one for 3 banner section. I'm go to backend. This one for main category, and I am already second style already I am already created. This is for graphics design for different style, and for digital marketing is for different style. So I'm go to backend, and for this is our main category, and go to for digital marketing page builder. Okay, this one for title, for this one for note, edit note title, display show notes, one box, and for this one for background color, this one for text color, and select box 2. I am select box 2, and show for all, and padding and margin, and background image add already. Okay, second option, most popular digital marketing service, this one for special item 6. So I'm click for special item 6. This one for special item 6, just title, any title, just for all image ad, and for also title ad, and for URL link ad, all URL link ad. This one for this one. Okay, and go to more explain, this one for 8, special item 8. and click this one for lots of file create, example search, social, advertising, content, all just click. This one for title, this one for hashtag, example any URL link you can add, just click, go to there, image add, and also for all title add, this one title, and this one for link, just update. Okay, this one for digital marketing, this one for banner. See this banner, I'm click this banner title, display on, for banner name select, and also box 2 style 2 selected. So this one for update digital marketing page. So I hope you can understand for all theories. I'm create for footer section very soon, and header section also. So this one for mega menu. So if you want to need this file, so by place